Okay guys, how are you guys today? Good?
Good.
Okay, today we're going to learn about triangles. So, anyone tell me from the last time the 3 types of angles? Someone?
Cute.
Yes. An acute angle. And remember, that's our baby cute angle, so that looks a little bit like that, right? Yes?
Right.
Right. Awesome. And that's a 90-degree angle. Good. Anyone else? Come on, work with me. Obtuse. Thank you. So that's our big angle, right? Okay. So we can use these angles then to form triangles. So we're going to talk about 2 different ways we can talk about our triangles. We can use them just talking about the types of angles. We can also talk about them based on the sides and how long their sides are relative to each other. Sound good? Okay. So the first type of triangle that we're going to talk about has a right angle in it. So can anyone guess? It has 2 acute angles. Can anyone guess what type of triangle that is?
A right triangle.
A right triangle. Awesome, because there's 1 right angle. So right. Okay. Can anyone guess, based on what he said, what this type of triangle is called? Yes.
Obtuse.
Awesome. So this is an obtuse triangle. So it has that's a really bad side, but it has 1 angle in it that is obtuse. Okay. Can anyone guess? So we said that's an obtuse triangle. This is a right triangle. All you have in your triangle is acute angles. What do you think that triangle is called? An acute triangle. So it's our little baby triangle with little baby angles. Awesome. Okay. So that's one really good way to talk about triangles. There's another way that you can use, and that's where you talk about if any of the sides and any of the angles are equivalent. So can you tell me what the word equivalent means?
The same.
The same. Awesome. So you can have a triangle that looks like this, where all of the angles all of these are the same. So when I make this little sign, it means that the angle length is the same. Okay? And then this means that the side lengths are the same. So this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Okay, so that is one special kind of triangle. You can also have a triangle where 2 of its sides are the same, okay? So these 2 sides are the same. And so that is called an isosceles triangle. Isosceles. Awesome. Okay, there's one final type of triangle, and if we said this one has 3 sides that are all the same, this one has 2 sides that are all the same, can anyone guess what the last type of triangle has?
No sides.
Yeah, all the sides are different in this one. So this one, maybe it looks like this, and then you got this really long thing, and maybe this, and then this. So none of those sides look about the same, right? They all look pretty different. So that is called a scalene triangle. Okay, awesome. So now I want to talk very quickly about 3 special triangles, okay? One of them is the equilateral triangle. This one always has side lengths that are the same and angles that are 60 degrees, okay? Because does anyone remember how many degrees are in a triangle? Yes.
180.
Awesome. So if you have 180 degrees, you divide that by 3, right? Because you have 3 angles, and so then you get 60 degrees. Okay, this one, these 2 sides of the angles are the same, just so you know. And in this one, none of the angles are the same. Okay, are you guys getting tired of sitting? I think we should get up. Come on, up. Okay, you ready? So we're going to do a quick cheer, and we're going to try to use it to remember our different triangles. So this one, these angles are right. Okay, and they are tight. You can only have this to make a right triangle, right? This is what your right triangle looks like, okay? So for your obtuse one, they're kind of loose. They're kind of hanging out there, right? They're like, you're not keeping them too right? Okay, this one, it's a cute angle, right? You've got a cute little acute. Okay, so will you listen to my cheer? Okay. I've got a triangle, it's so cute. 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 I've got a triangle, it's so tight. I've got a triangle, it is right. I've got a triangle, it's so tight. I've got a triangle, it is right. I've got a triangle, it's so loose. I've got a triangle, it's
Obtuse.